Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a order from the Talabat app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, in order to cancel your order from Talabat, open up the Talabat app. From here, we need to click onto orders bottom of this page here. And then once you're inside your orders, go ahead and click on that order and go ahead and cancel that order. But if you don't have the option to cancel, because what happens, you've got up to 5 minutes to cancel your order. If it's more than 5 minutes, we need to do it another way. So if it's been more than 5 minutes, we need to contact their customer support team. So click onto the account on the bottom right hand corner of the page. And from here, go ahead and click onto where it says get help. And then once you're on the help center, it will say, how can we help? And then from here, click onto my orders and then click onto the order that's upcoming. And then from there, you can reach out to their customer support by saying, hey, I would like to cancel my order. Can you please help me in doing so? But keep in mind though, if the restaurant has already dispatched your order, cancellation might not be possible.